Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete or remove highlight colors from a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now I will delete this highlight from the PDF file. Click on this comment option and this right side where here you will find this properties option. Now click on this highlight tool and active this highlight. Now click on this highlight and select, and here you will find this delete option. So we click on this delete and see this highlight. Now remove. Also select this highlight and press delete key from your keyboard, or select this one delete and this one also and select delete. Also you can apply new highlight and select it and delete. In this way you can delete all of your highlight and also you can apply new highlight. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.